I am so super excited to make these. They've been on my bucket list of bread. Papo Seco's Portuguese crusty rolls. Let's go. 1 cup room temperature water. 3/10 of 1 ounce of yeast. Get that mixed in and let that yeast dissolve. For this recipe, I'm using Bob's Red Mill unbleached artisan bread flour. 4.5 ounces of flour. Get that mixed in. We'll be making a starter. Got that covered. Now it's going to sit for 6 to 8 hours. If you'd like, you can make this the night before, put it in the fridge and let it rest all night long, and then pull it out. Make sure it gets back to room temperature, approximately 2 hours. The time on our sponge is almost ready, so we'll start getting the rest of the ingredients. 1 pound, 12 ounces of flour. 2 tablespoons of lard or shortening. Massage in with your hands to distribute throughout the flour. Another 3/10 of 1 ounce of yeast. 1 ounce of sugar. We'll get that yeast and sugar distributed throughout the flour. Create a well inside the flour to add your sponge. Sponge is going in. 1.5 cups room temperature water. Knead on low speed until the dough stiffens up. As the dough starts to pull away from the sides, 1/2 ounce of non-iodized salt. As the dough becomes stiff, add an additional room temperature water until it eases up. Gradually increase your speed to high and allow to knead for 10 minutes. Once that is kneaded, get it turned out into an oiled bowl. Get that covered in plastic wrap. The initial proof will take about 2 hours. First proof is done. Get that punched down. We're going to let it proof again for another hour. Second proof is done. Get that punched down. Got those divided into 3-ounce portions. Take them, form your hand like a C, and just start rolling. I got 12 3-ounce balls and 8 2-ounce dough balls, which I'll be doing something different with these in a different video. Let these rest for about 30 minutes. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Pan of water in the bottom of your oven. This will help with the crust. Now that these have rested, time to shake. Press it down into a flat disc. Put a crease in the middle, almost through the bottom. Roll each side to that seam that you created. Pinch and twist the ends. Placing these on a cornmeal dusted parchment tray. Once you get them shaped, you're going to let them sit again for another 30 minutes. Into the oven, 400 degrees, about 15 minutes. There's definitely a learning curve on rolling these and shaping, but we'll give it a try. See inside? It's good.